So I noticed there's been some issues with exporting documents and uploading them to certain places on Moodle. So I know I posted links for how to do all those things in the technical skills guide, but maybe it's just better if I visually show you. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to export a document. So if you're already using Microsoft Word, it's not a problem, right? Because when you submit your essay and it has to be in a Word format, right? You won't have an issue because it's already in that format, right? So let's say though you don't have Microsoft Word, but you're using Google Docs, which most of you are. So here I have a Google Doc file, open a document. So let's say this is a document I want to upload right onto Moodle. Okay, so all you do is you go to File, you go to Download, and here you have all the formats. So you could do PDF if you ever find the need to do that. For this case, we'll just do Microsoft Word. So that should download automatically into your Downloads folder. If you're using Windows, I think it should also be under Downloads unless you save it like somewhere else, like on your desktop or your Documents folder, right? So I'm using a Mac, so it automatically goes into the Downloads folder. So we'll go back to the Moodle page, and I'm under Student View. Okay, so the Moodle page looks like just like how it would look to you. So let's say I'm gonna submit, where is it? The final draft. Okay, you're gonna click Add Submission, and you have options here. You can drag the file. So here, I have my document that's already in my downloads. I can just drag it here, right? And then I press Save Changes, and it'll go through. Or let me delete this. If you don't want to drag it, you just click in that box. Okay, and you're gonna see Choose File, right? And you're gonna go look for it, whichever your file is, and you just click Upload, then upload this file, and you're good. And then you just press Save Changes. Okay, and that's how you'll submit it. Once you submit it, this should show up in green. In green, it should say Submitted for Grading. Right, and it will show you how much time is remaining, if it's been graded, and if you want to double check that that was the correct file, you can always click on it again. Let's say it's an incorrect file, click Remove Submission, right? So let's just pretend, Remove Submission. Okay, so now it's emptied out, and if you want to add a new submission, you can go ahead and do that. So now, how do we upload a document to a forum, because we're going to have to do this 2 more times for the next 2 essays. So add discussion topic, put whatever subject, right? You're going to click advanced. Okay, and it's the same thing. You can drag or drop the file here. So maybe I'll just drag it, or like I showed earlier, you can just click it and it's going to go through, right? And then you can press post to forum or whatever. And that's it.